First of all, we add earth with wind, it will become dust. Then, earth with dust, it will become a planet. Then, fire with planet, it will become sun. Then, fire with sun, it will become solar. Then, planet with solar, it will become a system. Then, fire with system becomes computer. Then, system with computer, it will become software. Then, earth with software, it will become a game. Then, computer with game, it will become a gamer. Take it to the site. Then, first add earth to other side. Then, water with earth, it will become a plant. Then, wind with plant, it will become dandelion. Then, go to the other side, first add plant. Then, plant it will become free. Then, mix tree with dandelion, it will become a wish. Then, wish with tree, it will become money. Then, take money to the side. Then, add dandelion to the other side. Then, plant with this, it will become we eat. Then, dandelion with weed, it will become marijuana. Mix this one with money, it will become a business. Then, business with business, it will become cooperation. Then, mix corporation with gamer, it will become microtransaction. Then, add game with microtransaction. It will become a player to win. Then, add fire to the other side in craft. Then, water with fire, it will become steam. Then, fire with steam, it will become an engine. Then, take dust to the other side in craft. Then, dust with dust, it will become sand. Mix sand with engine, it will become a sandbox. Then, planet with sandbox, it will become Minecraft. Then, mix player to win with Minecraft, it will become Roblox. That's the way to make Roblox in Infinite Craft.